तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसी मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वोः. When we start to receive descending mercy like that, the 4 Kumaras, they were just charmed, enchanted by the roop of Bhagavan, and they were just having darshan of Bhagavan from top to bottom. And they looked at the face and Tasya Aravinda Nayanasya Padaravindam, that Aravinda face with the Aravinda eyes. And then they were having darshan down and then came to this lotus feet. There, King Jalka Mishra Tulasi Makaranda Vayu, they bent down. They bowed down to see the lotus feet. And then the fragrance of Tulsi Devi entered into Swa-antargatena chakaratesha. Swa-antargata vivarena chakaratesha. The fragrance of this pure devotee, the devotional fragrance that entered into the nostrils of 4 Kumaras. And of course, with that is the transcendental aroma of the body. What will happen? Sanshobhamaksharajusha apichittatanvo. This is the glory of the descending mercy that we are receiving. When we start to receive like this, by the way, descending mercy chooses the jivas who are ready to receive, and it just descends. And when that happens, one after the other, everything will be revealed in Tattva. So when the Guru Tattva is revealed, he's a Bhagavata, looks like human but he's divine, then the Nama Tattva also will be. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamaha davagni nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhuji Anandambudhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purna Vratasvadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. That Sri Harinam Prabhu is Mahatmya. Nama Bhagavan Shri Namavatar. Nam Namakari Bahudam Nija Sarva Shakti Statrarpitani Amita Smaranena Kala Etatrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mama Durtaiva Mitrishami Hajanina Nuraga. Oh hey Krishna Nama Sharam Tumi Sarva Shakti Dharam. This is Krishna Namakshara. Jiviram Kalyana Vitarane. This is Krishna Namaksharam descended here and is placed here with the mercy of Sri Guru and Gauranga to do Jivera Kalyana Vitarane, to distribute auspiciousness to all the jivas, to give auspiciousness to all the jivas. We just be present. We just knowing who this Krishna Namakshara is. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Treat this Krishna Namakshara, who is Sarva Shaktidhara, the way he needs to be treated, and that's it. Krishna Surya will rise and the darkness will go away. This time, the japa time that we have, the way we treat Shri Harinam Prabhu will decide our day, will decide our devotion, will decide our destiny. Trinadapi sunichena tharoreva sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sada hari. Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam vajagati shakamayi. Mama janmani janmani ishwari bhavatam pratyahai tukitvayi. Everything happens. And tumi saba koro hata. This is all done by Sri Harinam Prabhu. When we start to treat Bhagavan the way he needs to be treated, then the jadoo happens. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitamam vishame bhavambudam krupayam tava pada pankajam stita dhuli satrisham vichintaya. Nandatamcha Krishna. Saffron dust particles at the lotus feet of Nandatamcha Krishna in this lifetime. Nayanam galada shrudharaya vadanam gadgadaruddhayangiram pulakair nichitair vapukadam tavanama krihane bhavishyati yogayitam nimeshena chakshusha pravarshyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahe. We should pray to come to this. Can't bear separation from you. Oh, Govinda, not even for a moment, please. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Aslishya padaratam pinastum adarshanam marmahatam karotu yada tadha vitadhatavulam patu matprananathastu sayevana paraha. Prananatha, Gopinatha, sayevana paraha. Nothing else, nobody else. Krishna Ramakshara. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshastakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Dharamatya sarvasreshtham nama sankirtana niraparadham nama lele paye premadham atayeva nama matra vaishnavera dharma name prasphutita hoile Rupa Guna Karma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।